Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host Ulises Herrera. Today we're doing a daily crypto market update for Sunday, December 5th. Time of this recording is 1:35 p.m. California time, guys, because California knows how to party. So guys, obviously we've all seen what happened into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Mainly Bitcoin. I mean, Ethereum has been holding really strong, but Bitcoin got destroyed. And obviously, I mentioned in my last video, I started to buy the dip, and I started to buy a little bit too early. Ultimately, I'm down on my position, but I'm not down as much as I guess a lot of people. I saved myself, and I'm down just a bit, not a lot. Something I'm actually very comfortable with. I'm down 10% on my position, and I'm up around 2% on my Ethereum. So can't complain. Today we're gonna talk about why it seems that Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin, and why I think Ethereum might bounce back faster, and it's remaining stronger than Bitcoin, guys, and for the next couple of days and maybe weeks. So okay, guys, so this is what we're gonna look at real quick. So Bitcoin right here, guys, these levels, what you see, these numbers here are key Fibonacci levels for Bitcoin over the past last couple of months. These Fibonacci levels are measured from swing high to swing low, and then these Fibonacci retracement levels are basically levels that are retracement levels that appear in basically all numbers and all things everywhere. To keep it simple, very accurately, I'm showing you how some of the lines that I've had here before I started using the Fibonacci levels are almost dead on to some of the key Fibonacci levels, major key Fibonacci levels. So guys, right now obviously we are standing at the 38.2 Fibonacci level. That's exactly dead on where I had my line, and this Fibonacci level is dead on in the same spot. Now, why do I think that Bitcoin is probably going to lag in comparison to Ethereum? This is the open interest money flow index, guys. So this basically tells you, how much money flow and open interest there is in buying a certain asset. Whenever you start to get up into the green area of the open interest and money flow, things tend to have a pretty major pump. As you guys could see right here, the open interest money flow index started to go into the green, and then boom, we skyrocketed. The TTM squeeze recorded positive momentum. RSI was on the floor and then shot up. So basically, Bitcoin is not there right now. And this is the 1 day chart, meaning every candle is measured by 1 day. And it seems like, it looks like we've seen the worst of it for now. The good news is that we've maybe have seen the worst of it for now. The bad news is that it seems that it's going to take us a little bit longer to recover than expected. But the good news for the short term is that we've probably seen the worst of it. This is about as low as the open interest money flow index can get. Could it go a little bit lower? Yeah, it could go a little bit lower. We could probably see lower price movements, but it seems that we're holding pretty strong at the 38.2 key Fibonacci level. Maybe we could dip down to 48, 47 here and there, but to me, my personal opinion, not financial advice, it seems that we're holding pretty strongly right here, which coincides with what some of my channels have already had here for months and months and months. So it seems that Bitcoin is trying to come back up, but it doesn't seem like we have open interest, momentum, or money flow index coming in strong enough for us to rise above the current prices. Now let's go into Ethereum though. Ethereum, very interestingly, it fell right to the 6.18 key Fibonacci retracement level right here, guys. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. It's crazy how accurately some of these indicators are. This Fibonacci level recorded exactly the 6.18 retracement level, and we're standing right on top of the 38.2 Fibonacci level. It seems that we're holding very strong up here, which is just slightly below the market structure that we've been holding for the past couple of months on Ethereum. So this is very interesting, guys. So check this out. RSI looks like it's on the floor, which is good. I mean, it could go lower. Yeah, it could go lower, but it looks like it's reached a point where it's comfortably trying to come back up on the 1 day. and then you have some momentum started come up here, like slightly, just a little bit. And then on top of that, you have open interest money flow index still in the green. Now if this goes like this, guys, boom, that's gonna mean Ethereum is gonna shoot up, and we could probably see at least back to all-time highs around $5,000. You know, I could see us going back to $5,000. That's if we continue to go up on the money flow index, and if we can drop, that means we're probably going to see lower prices. But to me, it seems that it's pointing towards the upside rather than the downside. As you can see, the 4 hourly, you know, we're trying to come back into the structure that we've been holding for the past couple months. It seems like we're getting slightly rejected at the moment. Open interest money flow index is trying to come back up, but overall for the next couple of days or weeks, it looks like Ethereum may be holding at these levels. Once again, it could fall, but it just seems like it's holding at these levels for the moment. Things can change in the market very quickly, guys. So I'm not one to say, oh, you know what, I stand by my conviction and it's never going to change. No, I follow the data, and if the data changes, that's what's going to happen, and that's what I'm going to tell you. But it seems like now Ethereum is actually holding stronger than Bitcoin, and it may have to do with a lot of the, you know, a lot of DeFi running on Ethereum, a lot of the metaverse coins running on Ethereum. So it just seems like, I've been talking to my cousin about this, that it would be very interesting to see Ethereum remaining a lot stronger than Bitcoin, just because of the use cases that Ethereum has right now, versus Bitcoin is taking a while for people to, really embrace Bitcoin. But Ethereum has been embraced a lot easier in my eyes through all the new technologies and all the new things coming out for that DeFi space and money in the metaverse. So for now, guys, it just seems to me like Ethereum is going to remain stronger and probably pump higher than Bitcoin at the moment. But we'll see, guys. Data can change any moment, and I will inform you as it happens. So, guys, if you like this information, like, subscribe, hit the notification bells. I know this looks very technical and very boring, and most people don't ever even get to this part of my video. But you know what? I'm here. I'm telling you. And if this bores you, then you're gonna have a hard time making money, because you're always gonna be listening to somebody else's opinion. You can learn this too and make your own money, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I'll see you on the next.